Bake the best banana coffee cake, easy recipe for beginners. Hey there, foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a scrumptious treat in store for you, banana coffee cake. It's a perfect blend of moist banana cake, a crunchy streusel topping, and a sweet glaze that'll make your taste buds dance. So, grab your aprons and let's get baking. Ingredients. For the streusel topping, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, cold and cubed. For the cake, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 3 ripe bananas, mashed, 1/2 cup sour cream. For the glaze, 1 cup powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons milk, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9-inch square baking pan. To make the streusel topping, in a small bowl, combine the flour, brown sugar, and cinnamon. Add the cold cubed butter and using a pastry cutter or your fingers, mix until crumbly. Set aside. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Add the mashed bananas to the butter mixture and mix until well combined. Gradually add the dry ingredients and sour cream, alternating between the two, starting and ending with the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined, being careful not to overmix. Pour half of the batter into the prepared baking pan. Sprinkle half of the streusel topping evenly over the batter. Add the remaining batter on top, followed by the rest of the streusel topping. Bake in the preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Remove from the oven and allow it to cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Once the cake has cooled, prepare the glaze by whisking together the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract in a small bowl until smooth. Drizzle the glaze over the cooled cake. Slice and serve the banana coffee cake, and enjoy. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope you enjoyed this mouthwatering recipe for banana coffee cake. It's a fantastic way to use up those overripe bananas and indulge in a delightful treat. If you tried this recipe at home, don't forget to let us know how it turned out in the comments below. And as always, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and culinary inspiration. Until next time, happy baking! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.